Hi guys, I am Logesh K, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, 6th semester, Computer Science Engineering. Today I am going to explain about the graphical user interface using the Android Studio. Here I have developed the meeting schedule app using this Android Studio. Here what we are going to see is in this introduction, implementation, experiment results and conclusion and references. Introduction about this meeting schedule app. What is a meeting schedule? A meeting schedule is a plan where there is a list of activities and topics to discuss or accomplish at a particular time and day. The meeting schedule is crucial in ensuring that the task and issues to attend, whether for a project management meeting in the office or seeing several clients throughout the week. Your meeting schedule is the best tool to help you keep track of them. How to create this meeting schedule app? Poorly run meetings are multi-billion dollar problem in most organizations in the United States, as mentioned by an article in Forbes. To make your meetings efficient and worth everyone's time, then you have to maximize your meeting schedule for the layout of a perfectly timed session. Before you start sending messages of the upcoming meeting through email, take a note of these tips. First, prioritize who should be present. Identify the people who should be in a meeting. When scheduling a meeting, it is important to list down the critical people whose presence would matter a lot of to agenda. These people should be the first to know that you have the set up a meeting schedule for a meeting. In this way, you can determine what time and a day there is available for a meeting. And second, make sure everyone is free and do not set a meeting schedule without asking for everyone's availability. You do not want to set the table with only a few of your expected attendees. It is important that the schedule example you set works with everyone. For example, if you are organizing a team meeting, make sure all the employees who are part of it can show up a particular date you plan. Now let us look at the implementation of this meeting schedule app. First we need to implement this app by using the extensible markup language, is called as an XML language. It is used to describe a data. The XML standard is a flexible way to create information formats and electronically share structured data through the public internet as well as through a corporate network. In Android, we use XML for designing our layouts because XML is lightweight language, so it does not make our layout heavy XML heavy. Here the XML code of the front end. You can look after this code, how the front end is developed by using this XML code. And next we are going for the backend development. Backend development is done by the using the Java language. Function call in Java is the equivalent of a function in languages like C, which helps in code reusing a set of statements, making a method, and this method can be invoked through other statement. When invoked or it is called, all the statements that are a part of the method would be executed. For instance, look at this method public static void method example. It currently has no code in it, but there are three keywords before the method name. There is a public, static, and void. The word public before the method name means that the method itself can be called from anywhere, which includes other classes even from different packages as long as import the class. There are three other words that can replace public. They are protected and private. If a method is protected, then only these classes and subclasses classes that use this as a basis to build off can call the method. If a method is private, then the method can be only called inside the class. Only the classes in the same package can call the method. The second keyword, static, means that the method belongs to the class and not any instance of the class or object. The last word before the method name is void. The word void means that when the method doesn't return anything, if not want a method to return something, then simply replace the word void with a data type, primitive or a reference type of the object, a primitive type that wish to return. Here we are going to look after the Java code that is used in the sorry, in meeting schedule app, and this is the Java code for the backend development. Now let us see the result of this me- meeting schedule app. Here we can see there is a three options: schedule, meeting up, and get info. And we can see the select date to get the meeting details. And here is how we need to schedule the meeting app. And we can choose the date on and timing and the meeting name or the reason. Conclusion: in this article, you have seen about the meeting schedule in Android. Android provides us with the feature of meeting schedule in which we can copy and paste data according to our needs. Android has a clipboard framework for copying and pasting different types of data. User can save time and benefited by this application. User can see when is meeting, remembering scheduling meeting. Thank you.